Yes, Rajbi.
Ma'am, this is my favorite chapter.
Okay, very nice. Yes, Sifa.
Ma'am, you look this chapter.
Yes,
In this chapter, what you write?
yes, today you don't have to write anything. If anything you need to write, I will definitely say. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. And I read very earlier this chapter.
Chapter today. So first, anyone, I'm just lowering all of your hands. Just first, anyone, can you tell me that in our circumstances, which type of birds we are getting to see nowadays? Can anyone tell me any name? Yes, someone.
What, ma'am? Ma'am, chapter name. Wonderful.
Birds, yes. Chapter.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Go ahead.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, yes, someone. Go ahead.
Ma'am, you know, I am. Ma'am, I am Will.
You?
Yes, ma'am.
What are you saying, Amar? Your voice is, means your sounds are coming to me cracky.
मैम मेरा तबीयत खराब है आप जानते हैं
कैसे हम जानेंगे? तुम तो अभी अभी मेरे को इन्फॉर्म कर रहे हो. Okay, if you are not well enough, no need to do your class tomorrow. Okay, but absent you will be, but yeah, health fast. Okay, right now health fast. Health is your priority. Health should be your priority.
थैंक यू
Keep yourself safe. Now you tell me that anyone no means what type of birds means, can you name few birds which we can see in our circumstances?
मैम स्पैरो
Sparrow,
काइट मैम स्पैरो काइट
sparrow, and anything else?
मैम काइट
Kite. Kite is not a
यस मैम
bird.
मैम चील मैम वी टेल इन बंगाली चील
Okay, 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 okay. I forget the English. Sorry, sorry. Yeah. And one most important bird you left, crow, right?
मैम बुलबुल
Will also we can see crow. We can see. I am just living in a proper town. Okay, you're not town proper. What can I say? So here I am not
मैम
able
crow
to
is a
see.
common bird मैम
Yes, yes. Here I am not able to. I am not able to see many birds, but I can see crow. I can see sparrow, and one birds I'm seeing. Tuntuni, bulbuli, bulbul. What is the other name? English name I didn't know. I will search it and I will definitely tell you. These three, four birds are nowadays coming. Okay, because there is in our city there is not much space to live. Okay, because birds doesn't live like us. They are just living in the trees. They are making the nest and they are living in the trees, right? So there is not much space is there. So nowadays we are not seeing many birds. Now this chapter is wonderful parts. We will see and we will learn so many things. So level the parts of the bird's body. This part, this picture we will just solve later. Okay, first we will read the chapter. What is so funny over here? Yes, Saman, anything you want to say? Okay, lower your hand. So first, I'm just going to read and I'm just going to tell you so many facts about the birds. You have seen some beautiful living creatures flying in the sky. They are birds. Birds are the beautiful and colorful animals on the earth. They are found all around us. Obviously, they have feathers and wings. Feather means in Bengali palo and wings means in Bengali dana. If you are not going to remember it, please write it in your book by pencil. Feather means palo, wing means dana. Okay. They have light and hollow bones that makes their body light to fly easily. Now, light and hollow bones means what? In the bones means what? Bone means hard. Okay. And light and hollow means halka এবং ফাঁপা. Please write it down. This meaning so that you can read it very nicely afterwards. Light and hollow means halka and ফাঁপা. হালকা এবং ফাঁপা. Bones means hard. Okay. They also have streamlined bodies that help them flying in too. Now, streamlines, this meaning is a little bit trickier to understand, so I'm just writing the meaning just over here. Please, just you should write it. Streamlined body. Okay. So, birds is having a particular body. Okay, when they are flying, how their looks like. I'm just very drawing very like this when they are flying. They are just if I'm just going to see from the up, their looks like this. Okay, so the front of their body is a type of sharp end, and their wings are sprayed across and their bodies are sprayed across and the airs are cutting through their wings like this. This is called streamline shape. Okay, why this is shape? Because uh, less friction means হাওয়ার সাথে ধাক্কা বেশি খাবে না. Okay, so parts body shape such that they such that less friction is called the streamline. Okay, this is called the streamline body. Up to this, all the phrases are clear. All the phrases are clear. Any question or any doubts you are having? Yes, someone unmute please.
Ma'am, no, ma'am, no.
If you don't have doubt, it's okay, fine. On online life means showing. Every day I'm just repeating the same thing. If your link is not working, use the ID and password. Okay, and nowadays net is not good. If you are not having good internet connection, your class will not be uh, connected. The tail of a bird that helps it to turn in any direction. Okay, so please from here underline these things, whatever I am just highlighting, underline those lines. Okay, so they have feathers and wings. They have light, hollow bones that makes their body light to fly easily. They also have streamlined body that helps them flying too. The tail of a bird helps it to turn in any direction. Please mark it up, mark this line. Complete it, read it once, then only I will go to the next page. Yes, Shaman, any doubts is there?
मैं completed.
Okay. Meghna, any doubts is there?
No, ma'am, I completed.
Okay. All the meanings, all of you understood? Is there anyone that not understood? Yes, Joel.
Ma'am, I completed.
Okay, fine. No idea, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, I am completed.
I have completed. Okay. I am completed is not the correct English. I have completed. Okay. From the next time, don't say I completed or I complete. Tell that I have completed. So I am just going to the next page. Next, coming to the feathers. These are the most interesting and most, what can I say, most catchy part of a bird. Now, why they are having feathers? Birds are the only animals with feathers. Obviously, we didn't see any dinosaur or any, what can I say, any elephant with feathers, right? Feathers help birds to fly, to keep them warm, and to camouflage. Birds have three types of feathers. Now, first here, I am making you understand the word camouflage. Okay, so the word camouflage, what is the meaning of the word camouflage? Camouflage means sometimes we are seeing like that the cats are just doing what? Cats are just going to eat the birds. So that time birds can obviously fly, but they can hide themselves from the cat. Okay. So the camouflage means hide or disguise the presence. Hide the presence. Hide মানে লুকানো. Hide the presence from anything. Sometimes birds are just hiding themselves because in the outside rain is happening, or outside they are thinking someone is coming to attack them. So all these things, this the correct English is camouflage. Is it clear to everyone? So here, mark the lines, what I am marking. Birds are the only animals with feathers. Feathers help birds to fly. Sorry. Feathers helps feathers helps birds to fly, keep them warm and camouflage. Okay. So these two lines are important along with the meaning of this word camouflage. Again, I will make you write all these things, but please write it and understand the meaning of these words. Okay, this is very much important because if you are not going to understand the exact word meaning, you will not understand that you have to just memorize it without understanding, and that is that thing we are not wanting. Okay, so every word is very much important. So write it down in somewhere. Exactly, if we are going to see the meaning of the camouflage, the meaning is Chhadobesh. Okay, and the one animal is there who is very expert in camouflaging. Can you remember the name from the previous chapter, chameleon? UTP. How they are camouflaging? They can change their skin color, right? You are just most many of you are just living in the town area. Town area means there still many trees are available, trees ponds are available, not in my area. I hope that everyone has seen the chameleon. Okay, chameleon is expert in camouflaging. Next, coming to birds have three types of feathers. Body feathers, they cover the bird's body all around. They give shape of the bird's body. Sometimes we have, I think you all have seen that in the time of winter, birds are sitting like that by making their feather more fluffy. Okay, like a ball they are sitting. Why they are sitting like that, you know? So that the winter season doesn't affect them. Okay. Or if they are just going to take a shower, they are not showering like take a shower like us. Okay, বাথরুমে ঢুকলো কলটা চালিয়ে দিল স্নান করে ফেললো এরকম ভাবে they are not just taking the shower, but how they are just taking the shower, they are just drowned themselves or merged themselves in some water source. Okay, and while they are just drying their feathers, they are just making them as a fluffy ball. Okay, I will show you some pictures. Okay, so like that way they are just these feathers mostly how they are just making themselves like a ball like structure. This is actually their body feather. Next, coming to the flight feathers, they are large feathers found on the wings and tail of a bird. Now flight means what? Flight means aeroplane. Okay, mostly this word we have learned that আমাকে I need to catch the flight means আমাকে এরোপ্লেনটা ধরতে হবে. Okay, so this is the exact meaning flight. Why this is called flight feathers? Because this helps them to fly. Okay, so from the word fly means উঠতে পারা. From the word fly you should remember the word flight. Okay, next here, they help birds to lift themselves and balance the bird while flying. So there are two points: lift themselves and ওকে, উঠতে উঠতে ধুপুস করে পড়ে গেল। So birds doesn't want that. And also you have seen that in their child means that the mother bird is just making their children large when they are very very small, right? Next, coming to down feathers, they lie under the flight feather too close to the skin. They keep the bird's body warm. They are soft and fluffy feathers. Fluffy means খুব নরম, ফাঁপা, হচ্ছে ফাঁপা এবং নরম যে জিনিস, that is called actually fluffy. Birds shed their feathers and new feathers grow in their place. Shed means their feathers are getting what can I say? Shed means exactly ঝরে পড়ে. Okay, and at that place again new feathers are growing. Okay. So read up to this part. Many new English words you are learning from here. So phrases meaning is very very much important and very very much crucial for you to understand. Please up to this read very slowly. Only afterwards I will go to the next few lines. I'm just lowering all of your hands, and I'm going to give you attendance. I'm just lowering all of your hands, and I'm going to give you the attendance. Please mark the book. You in your chat section you will see that Olympiad examination is there. The link is provided. That examination is very basic science, and on maths type questions are coming. You can just participate over there. Okay. No need to raise your hand. I'm going to give you attendance. Rajveer, lower your hand. Are I'm telling you not to raise your hand. Wait for a while, and just while I will tell, I will just. I gave you the attendance, Shoel. Okay, your name is here. Okay, Sayam, you are here. I am just repeatedly telling you not to raise your hand. That is why I'm telling you. I make you mark you absent. Repeatedly, you are not listening to what we are saying because your names are getting arranged in a different way. So it is much problematic for us to just find out your name from here. Yes, Rohit. Rohit, unmute, please.
Ma'am,
Any
when,
problem? Yes, when?
ma'am, what day the Olympic exam will be?
That I don't know, but call your school. I think school will provide you the details.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, no idea.
ম্যাম বলছিলাম আমার ফোনটা একটু বন্ধ হয়ে গেছিল আগে কি করিয়েছেন একটু বুঝেন না ম্যাম
Just watch the video after this class. You will understand everything. Yes, Rajpreet.
Ma'am, what is the Olympiad's last date? Olympiad enrolling last date?
Olympiad enrolling last date. I will check and I will tomorrow inform you about everything. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Meghna.
ম্যাম মে আই গো টু টয়লেট
Yes, class is over almost. I will end this class very